cTrader. You know MetaTrader 5, TradingView, MetaTrader 4, but you do not know maybe the cTrader. Now, let's look at the cTrader. This is cTrader app. I know this is MetaTrader 5, so we're not here to actually use MetaTrader 5, but we're here for the cTrader. Now, remember the 5 simple steps? You need to have a trading account. So now I trust you do have a trading account, but if you do not have, or you have it with a different broker, this is a Deriv cTrader. I want to show you how actually you can connect your account, the platform. So now what we'll do, if you do not have a trading account, you just go to YouTube. All right, you just open YouTube on your phone, you search Bozza Trader, you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you visit our channel. This is the channel that we have. You subscribe and you click videos. All right, you watch the recent tutorial or even the old tutorial. You will click here, you will press here, then you can visit our website or use this website link. Now once you've actually opened your trading account with this website link, you will press here and then for you to join our market analysis WhatsApp group. All right, it's simple. Scroll the way down, you'll be able to see group 2 there. That's the website link that you need to join. All right, I trust you do understand. Okay, now let's look at the this is the broker that you can actually open a trading account with. Here, step number 2, you can have the demo plus the real account. Demos for you to practice, the real for you to trade real money. Now let's go to login. Let's log in to the website. This is the website. We have section here: home, CFDs, options, wallet. Home, CFDs. This is where we want to be. Now on CFDs, we have options to actually have a demo and a real account. But then with the cTrade, it's a bit different. So now if you scroll the way down, you will see Deriv cTrade. You press here, and we can also use this to last login, but then I prefer us to actually, even though we can just use that, it will take us to login, so it's fine. We can press login, but already we've logged in, so we'll press Traders Hub. Now we have opened the account here of cTrade. Okay, this is the account that we have, demo account. Cancel there. We go to real and we go to Deriv cTrade. Same thing that we have here. All right, go to CFDs and we go to Deriv cTrade, then we open the account. It's that simple and easy. So we have the account ready now. So we can now go to Deriv cTrade, but what we will need here, we will need our email address. So in this case, I'll just I'll just copy my email address here. Already I know the password, so it will not be difficult. You must know your password. So that's the email address that I have. All right, so enter my email address here just for me to log in. Just log in just like that. And if your website displays like this, you will just change to demo, go to CFDs. If your options, you go to CFDs. Now have to type that password. Remember, this password was the demo password for you to learn how to open a trading account on our previous tutorial. So it will be hash 2026 $, and then login. Now we'll scroll the way down until we see Deriv cTrade. We click get. Then what we get the account be successful. So now we have the account, demo account. You can see now we've managed to log in, say accept, and this is the, then we click what, got it. This is what we have here. You can see this is the live account. We can change from the live to the demo account. And most of the time, why I need the Deriv cTrader, I need the Deriv cTrader so that when I have maxed out my transfers, I can still use what, the Deriv cTrader. When I talk about transfer, I talk about when you go to login, you go back here, you go to wallets, then you click transfer. You only have 10 transfers per day, so you're not going to be able to make transfer more than 10 times. So for you to transfer money to your MT5, that is why I have the what, I have the cTrade as a backup if I would like to still continue taking trades. All right, and now this is the account that we have. You can connect it, so you can do this side also. Like, you copy that email address. All right, your email address, I trust you know your email address. I copy it. This side, This is the very same email address that you actually have to use to log in. So go to account settings to search for the email there, and then I will copy that email and then log in. It's that simple and easy. So now once you've logged into the app is almost like, you see, this is the email address that we have. The app is almost like the MT5. We have trade, we have copy, we have Bolter, we have invite, deposit. So what I will do, I'll just press here just to start for you to understand. This is actually the demo account. All right, you can see here, this is the demo account. You have option to deposit, withdraw, place trade, create price alert. So these are in something that you can actually use, but what is important is deposit and withdraw. All right, now I can be able to make a buy, I can be able to make a sell. Simple. And this is the balance that I see here. I can go to positions to monitor the profit. I can go to orders to monitor the pending orders and all that. And price alert, if I set price alert, which is not important, history, monitor the buys and sell, the history of the account. And I can go to transaction, which is not that important, that you can see the deposit and all that. So now let's go to watch list. You can now add, all right, you can add here if you like to add assets. Let's say you like to Bozza, just like that. All right, we've changed that, and we can now press here. We can delete, we can go to the other markets, popular markets, we can go to Bozza. Now I can adjust what I like to be here. I can move this above just like that. I can delete. If I like to delete, I can just do that. Okay, I can also add, if I like to add assets. Let's, in this case, I would like to add the Forex. I like to add the Deriv indices. I press there, and then I check basket volatility indices. Then I press the star here, then it will be added that side. So I can go back. You see, you can scroll the way down. I'll be able to see what I've just added here. So now I can be able to to press here. Once I see the lot size, I see buy, I see sell, and now I have the option to extend the chart. I can put a price alert, and I can just scroll the way down, and I can see the economic calendar, which is not important, and I can see the market hours, and I can see also the leverage here. All right, now I scroll the way up and I click this. All right, I click that, I see the graph like this. I can be able to go back. The cTrader, it's simple and easy to use. So I can now click buy, I can click sell, depending on how I would like to actually trade. So if I've managed to do some analysis correctly, I will do that. So now with the Deriv cTrader this side on Android Vision, you can do the very same thing. Allow, logging in. You see the positions here. You can close positions by pressing here, and let's just paste that email address, and then I'll just type the password, and then I'll be logged in. Demo, let me show you, hash 2026 $sign login. So now you can be able to use the Deriv cTrader to place your trade, to buy, to sell. It's that simple and easy. So here you can just close your trade, and let's actually click return. There's something wrong with the account. Probably there's the issues with the app, or there's the with the account, between the two. So let's actually make sure that we paste the right email, teacher Bozza, and then we go to orders this side, price alert, history. See on history what we see. All right, so we'll do like this. Cancel, open it again. All right, so this is what you can do on the account. You can go to copy trade this. If you like to do copy trading, for you might not know what copy trading is, for some reasons which I do not know. So let me go back. The deposit is simple. You can do some copy trading here. You can go to Bolters, the app is there's something wrong with the app, or something is going on here. Anyway, our app is giving us some issues to log in this site, but so far I trust you can see, you can invite, you can deposit. The options are there for you to actually do that. So go to trade, you can take many trades as you like. And unfortunately, we actually do not have the MetaTrader 4 and trading view.